Ooh, well look at you looking all gorgeous and whatnot. How do you do it? I'm Whitney. How's it going? No, I'm Whitney. This is my YouTube channel. Welcome. If you want to know how I got this lovely eyeshadow look, keep watching. I'm taking my Urban Decay Primer Potion, applying it to the back of my hand, and then applying it to my eyelids. Just kind of tapping it in. Taking my E25, I'm going into the shade Bare. I'm just going to use this to set the eyeshadow primer. Using that same brush, we're going into Play. We're going to apply this to our crease. A little bit above, a little bit below. Using that same brush, we're going into the shade Teddy. We'll apply this to our crease. Blending it up just a bit. Taking our E35, we're going into the shade Raw. We're going to apply that to our outer corners. Just blend it in a little bit. Okay, we're gonna wet down our E58 and go into the shade Charmed. We're gonna apply this to the middle of the lid.
Letting her head down, brain overwired. As she tiptoe, dipping in,
Blending outward.
music got her blowing, floating in her feels, and she tired of
Using that same brush, we're going into Crave. We're going to apply this to the inner part of our eyelid.
the righteous, sweet child. Don't ever
And just blend it in a little bit.
smile on her face. I sweet child. Watching a screen, powdering noses, waiting to be seen. It seems like life's no coming out roses, not like she dreamed.
Taking our E17, we're going into Teddy. We're gonna apply this to our lower lash line.
Got her blowing, floating in her feels, and she tired of all these strip bills, dripping on her bills. She ain't righteous. The righteous, sweet child. Don't ever go wrong.
Using that same brush, we're going into Raw. We're gonna apply this to the outer corners of our lower lash line.
Sweet child. Just a lost girl in the city of love. lost. Been through a few wars, but she wants to be loved.
And also we're going to apply it to our upper inner rim.
No, she won't.
So I'm gonna apply the rest of my makeup along with Grande Lash Primer and Tarte's Lights Caramel Lashes Mascara. If you guys want to watch me finish the rest of my face and talk about some things with me, then you can go ahead and click on this video up here. If not, keep watching. I'm applying Coconut Lip Liner from Kylie Cosmetics.
Sweet child.
Over top of that, I'm applying Sweater Weather.
Pieces of reality can really kind of scare me. Open my heart.
Here's the final look.
Trouble dared me, and here I am, dancing in the palm of your hand. I promise I won't mess up the plan. It's a masterpiece. You make me smile when I really need it. You took your time and made me believe in all your mannerisms and rituals. You and I have become habitual. Double dutch, my heart does skip the beat. So good to me, yo, a sweet dream. Double scoop of my favorite ice cream. Keep the sprinkles, trash the cherry, please. Hey, I look at you and know that I'm okay. Hey, no matter how bad the day, how this gets so serious. They ask me why.
Thank you guys for viewing this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to consider subscribing. Thanks to those of you who already have subscribed. You rock. Also, be sure to let me know your favorite Huda palette in the comments below. And don't forget to share. See you guys in the next video. Bye.
Open